Obaseki don assure sustained reforms, policies to guarantee sustainable development for Edo. Edo State Governor Godwin Obaseki don say e administration go sustain policies and programs to guarantee the growth and development of the state, ensure better livelihoods for Edo citizens. Obaseki gave this assurance when he received the executive members of the Nigerian Veterinary Medical Association, who chairman Dr. Ibrahim Ado lead, come for courtesy visits for Government House, Benin City. The governor, wey Chief of Staff Osaibovo Iyoha represent, state say the plenty ongoing projects and reforms across all sectors of the state they aimed to improve the living standard of the people plus ensure sustainable development.
However, in Edo, if you look at what we've been doing through the years since this administration came in, it's about building the structures, because we believe that the structure will outlive the people that are presently occupying. So we have seen, I've listened to you, and I will make sure that His Excellency definitely gets this promotion when we now have a functioning commissioner. We'll make sure that all these requests are put across to the interest. If you spend the next couple of days in Benin, you will find out that our people, the veterinary services are definitely needed. And I agree with one of the past chairman when he says that this could be another source of generating income for the state.
For the chairman of Nigerian Veterinary Medical Association, Dr. Ibrahim Pat, he has said them come to state for the association 57th Annual National Convention, wey go hold between Monday 25th and Friday 29th October 2021. Ibrahim, wey held the governor transformational projects across all sectors of the state, urged the government to support the upgrade of veterinary clinics across the 18 local government areas of the state to ensure the effectiveness of the clinics to check outbreaks of diseases, especially the ones from animals.
The whole of the country, and each year we hold it in different states. And this year is the turn of Edo State. We were supposed to have held this since last year, because due to the COVID, there was restrictions, so we had to postpone it. So we are here today is the arrival. We will be here till Friday, and I'm sure the local organizing committee have adequately briefed the government house on all the items that we'll be discussing at the event. It's normally our tradition whenever we go to any state for our annual conferences to pay a courtesy visit of the governor of the state to thank him for the enormous support he has been giving the veterinary services in the state.
Other ogbonge people wey tanda for the visit na past president of Nigerian Medical Association, Dr. Edgar Amos, Commissioner for Health, Professor Obey Akoria, plus Edo State Chairman for Nigerian Veterinary Medical Association, Dr. Chikwe Emmanuel. This na the ogbonge informate wey TMC News carry come give na. From Benin, Osatuame Ogbeide.